Hi you guys, Jaleesa here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute style that I've been rocking at work. When I do this style at the beginning of the week, it lasts me all week. So I started off by washing my hair with the Bye Bye Build Up. This is a cleansing conditioner, and then I deep conditioned my hair with the Heal and Renew deep conditioning mask. So my hair is feeling really soft, it's really big. I actually just gave myself a fresh trim, so my hair is just, I don't know, it's thriving right now, and my color is growing out, and I'm just loving my hair right now. So right now you can see I am parting my hair on the side. This is going to be the section where I do a flat twist, and as you can see I'm struggling a little bit. I did have to go and look in the mirror and just so to get that part straight back there. So once you have that part, go ahead and grab your Curly Magic and your Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. These two products, as you guys know, are two of my favorite products from Uncle Funky's daughter. I like to go ahead and put the Super Curl on to my hair first. This acts as a moisturizer for me as well as a styler. I pack that product on. I'm very generous with it, and once I have that product on my hair, I go ahead and just detangle a little bit with my fingers, and then I grab my Curly Magic, apply that to my hair, and then after that it's fully coated all over that section of hair, I go ahead and grab a brush, and I am actually using the Felicia Leatherwood brush, and with that Curly Magic on my hair, it makes it easier for me to detangle through my hair. I don't know what it is about that Curly Magic, the consistency. When I put it on my hair, detangling is just so much easier, and my hair is not soaking wet right now, so I'm working on kind of damp hair. It's not even dripping wet either. So with me applying this product, it does have a water base in it, so it kind of helps revert my hair a little bit, makes it easier to manage. So I am beginning to go ahead and flat twist my hair, not doing anything too special. If you guys don't want to flat twist your hair, you can do like the rubber band method on your hair. I know for some people flat twisting is a little hard. My part is not completely straight, but it's going to be covered up by my twist anyway. And then you can also do braids on this section if you want to as well. So I made sure to flat twist really tight because I'm going to be going back and adding in some hair jewelry to this section, but I'm liking how this twist turned out. So I'm going ahead and working through the rest of my hair, and I'm just going to put twist all over the hair that is left, just working through. So I am using the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream first, and then going in on top with the Curly Magic, and I'm just going to repeat that process all over my hair. Alright guys, so I am continuing to work through and put those twists in, and now that I am all done, I did go in and sit under a hair dryer for about an hour, and because my hair was not soaking wet, my hair dried pretty quickly, to say that those products had the water base in them. So my hair is really defined. The twists are coming loose very well. There's not any frizz so far. And I knew my hair was not going to frizz up because whenever I use Super Curl and Curly Magic together, my hair is so frizz free, and it's like that for, I know, a good 3-4 days. And that's like the number one thing I love about these two products when I use them together. So once I go ahead and separate my twists once, I'm going back in and separating those twists even more. No rhyme or rhythm to it, just separating my hair where it naturally wants to separate. And as you can see, I am not getting any frizz. It's just a clean separation with every last one of these twists. Alright guys, so with the flat twist on the side, I'm just taking 2 long bobby pins and I'm pinning that off to the side at the bottom. And then I'm taking my hair jewelry and I am going to apply about 5 of those on the side of my hair. You can add more if you want or less if you want. It's up to you and what you like, but this just adds just a little something extra to your hair. And y'all know I work in a school and the kids love it. I get so many compliments on my hair when I wear this style. So this is my hair, you guys. I'm loving it. These 2 products work so well on my hair. It is the perfect style to get me through the work week. If you guys enjoy it, let me know and I will see you guys in the next one.